Hey everyone, it's Kinsley with 1845 Barndominiums. This week on the Barndo channel, we're going to be highlighting some of our top floor plans for all the men out there that watch our channel. Don't worry, we'll be making another video soon to highlight all the floor plans for the ladies out there too. We hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can stay up to date when we post again on the Barndo channel.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the header. Yeah. We are warriors, we rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on like a chugging train. Loving you makes the world spin faster. Yeah. Ain't enough days in the week for us to kiss. Oh. We are explorers, we're seeking too low and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out?